Certainly at this time, it's a wonderful time to build because there's plenty of quality tradesmen. I notice as I go around, the homes are going up very quick. The builders are saying you can build your home in really about 28 weeks. So that's a lot quicker than say 3 years ago when it was taking 52 weeks or even 60 weeks to build a single storey home. There are plenty of quality tradesmen, plenty of quality suppliers competing for your business, so you can build a larger or reasonably good sized family single storey home in 28 weeks. The quicker build times, of course, it saves you on rent. You can move in quicker and enjoy the benefits of what these master plan communities offer you. So this is the best time to build a new home in the last 10 years. Plenty of quality tradesmen, no shortage of supplies, 10 new brilliant display centres showcasing the way West Australians like to live, wonderful outdoor living areas. Certainly this is better times, better build.